Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's by Alexandrus, guys, back with another banger and back with Floki, guys, and not only Floki in this video, because we will be also discussing Simon's cat. But before we jump into the video, guys, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. Guys, this video will be basically a Floki ecosystem update. The video, well, like some others that I did about Floki overall, and you really seemed to enjoy all of these, so that's why I'm coming up with another one, guys. So Floki's ecosystems, guys, it continues to expand and enhance their capacity to provide utility and innovation, and let's talk about some of the recent updates, guys. First of all, the topic of this video is that Floki and Tokenfi holders will be the main beneficiaries of the hottest meme coin launch of this year, guys, of the Simon's cat. So guys, animated cat brand, which is Simon's cat, is launching a meme coin in partnership with real Floki Inu, guys, okay? So with real Floki Inu, obviously that's their ad, because now they go by the name Floki. But yeah, overall what I wanted to say is that with a portion of the supply earmarked for an airdrop to Floki token holders, guys. So yes, if you hold Floki, you will be airdropped a nice little Simon's cat token, and that's what I really love about it. So here is the little article, guys, as you can see from CoinDesk. We can go ahead and click on it to be redirected to the article in itself. So popular Simon's cat to join cat coin fray with issuance on Floki Launchpad. And as you guys can see, you can see all the informations here, and you can also see that a portion of the impending meme coin supply will be airdropped to Floki token holders, and a separate portion will be further distributed to users who trade Simon's cat with the Floki trading bot, accruing value for the Floki token. And this is another great news for the Floki and for their ecosystem, because this will further increase the potential here, guys. Also, Floki and Tokenfi holders will be the main beneficiaries of this hottest meme coin launch of this year, guys. As you can see, so Floki and Tokenfi holders will be the beneficiaries here. That's the tweet that I also wanted to show you. Floki holders, guys, will be airdrop Simon's cat token proportionate to their holdings, and when it comes to Tokenfi, token stakers will be the main pre-sale participants through Tokenfi. Okay, that's why you should be familiar both with Floki and Tokenfi, and I did touch on both of these in my previous videos, so if you haven't watched them, guys, then you should definitely go ahead and do so. Another thing is the post from Saber, who is their marketing director and core contributor. We also considered and talked about him. So are you sleeping on Tokenfi? Well, I hope you are not, guys. This is one hungry feeling I could get behind. I will tell you why later. For now, feed your feeds. So as you can see, he's definitely hyping up the launch too, and it should really be hyped up, because it is definitely a meme coin to watch for. And you might ask why, guys. Well, there is not much meme coins related to cats, okay, and this ensures a great potential. So let's talk about some facts, okay? Let's talk about some of the information about Simon's cat, and let's see why this project is so significant, guys. So first of all, Simon's cat is one of the world's biggest cat meme brand and animation series. 1.6 billion YouTube views, guys. Their mobile games on Google Play and Apple Store have been downloaded over 20 million times. They have 6.3 million YouTube subscribers, 9.9 million Facebook fans, 5.4 million Instagram followers, 450,000 Twitter followers, and a freaking Wikipedia page, okay? And guys, the cat meme coin sector in itself is budding and rapidly growing sector. It is in fact worth $2.9 billion. The market cap compared to the dog meme coin sector worth $36 billion leaves a lot of potential for this meme coin market when it comes to cat meme coins. And the biggest dog coin is 6 times bigger than the entire cat meme coin sector. So this is just showing you how small the sector is right now, and it kind of shows you how big it can get, guys. So there is some most popular cat meme coins that are Popcat, Mog, and Meow, which recently hit a market cap high of between 700 million to 1 billion, signaling the appetite for this sector, guys. And Simon's cat in itself will be the first major cat meme coin on the BNB chain, guys, and this launch is timed just before the expected release of Changpeng Zhao, the former CEO of Binance who helped build the BNB chain, and his release is anticipated to boost the BNB ecosystem, which could benefit Simon's cat as a leading token on the BNB chain, guys. And it is also launching in partnership with Floki, BNB chain, and the WF Labs, okay? So they will be launching in an exclusive collaboration with Floki, guys. guys. A portion of the supply will be airdrop, as I said. A portion of the supply will also be airdrop to users who trade Simon's Cat with the Floki trading bot, and the Simon's Cat token presale will be conducted through Floki's Tokenfi Launchpad, guys. So get familiar with Tokenfi if you want to learn more about Tokenfi. I also have video about them, so definitely you can go to my channel and check this one out. I will link it down below in the description as well. As you can see, when it comes to Simon's Cat website, they have some cool graphics here, some comics, you know, and some nice little extras here that you can go ahead and explore. But well, let's keep moving. So the Simon's Cat meme coin, guys, is officially linked to the mainstream Simon's Cat brand and backed by their IP. Bunny J, the company holding the Simon's Cat IP, earned a revenue of $5.8 billion last year, and the main Simon's Cat brand series will be pushing the Simon's Cat meme coin on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all of the channels. So this should give it more mainstream advantage and reach compared to other cat meme coins, which we will compare to in just a second. So there are active ongoing discussions with several tier 1 exchanges about the Simon's Cat token, and several have already confirmed they will be listing it on day 1 of the token going live, guys, which is absolutely nuts, and this could mean a huge rocket growth for this particular token, guys. So let's sum it all up and then we'll move into some updates about Floki, okay? Shall we do it? I think we do. So guys, Simon's Cat definitely has a lot of mainstream reach and popularity, especially comparing them to other top meme coins, such as, for example, this Popcat, you know, which still has 700 million market cap. Then you also have Mog that has 600 million, guys, but they are not even as known as Simon's Cat, which is crazy because Simon's Cat can definitely outrun them, and it can go reach some crazy market caps that these meme coins can only dream about. That's how I see it, obviously, guys. We will see how it goes at the end of the day, but what I think is the potential is absolutely crazy because the cat meme coin sector is so small, you know. Brand like this can really help rejuvenate it. It can really help grow this sector as well, and they can be like the pioneering coin here. So, you know, it's kind of similar how Floki did, actually. So that's what I really like here. And guys, Floki's involvement in itself, okay? The fact that Floki holders will be airdropped and this will launch on Tokenfi Launchpad is absolutely incredible. And first of all, more people will get into Floki, and then definitely more people will get into Simon's Cat as well, because Floki holders will automatically be interested in this particular meme coin, guys. This will also be pushed in all mainstream medias through all Simon's Cat channels that have incredible reach, as we just talked about seconds ago, and also centralized exchanges are locked down for this token, guys. Day 1 listings. I'm mind blown. So that's it when it comes to the Simon's Cat portion. Now we will move into Floki ecosystem updates. But guys, let me know in the comments what you think about Simon's Cat. Obviously the links will be down below in the description. I'm really curious to see and hear your opinions. So let's move on. Floki, guys, has just been listed on Kraken as a spot listing. Here is the information about it. That's another great success. And guys, that's not all of the great news. Floki is now live on a Bitstamp as well, the world's longest running crypto exchange. So that's another amazing listing here. And when it also comes to other great news from Floki ecosystem, we have their trading bot, public mainnet open beta that is live. And also, guys, you can join a nice little competition that they are hosting with this trading bot. So as you can see, it is fully live. Trading bot public mainnet beta is live, so you can test it, and then you can join their $10,000 Floki trading bot competition with amazing prize pool, guys. So definitely should be looking out for this one. You have all the information written down here, what are the exact details, how you can earn points. So as you can see, you earn points for trading and for referring people. So if you have a lot of friends, and if they also like Floki, and if you want to have a lot of points, then you can trade yourself, and you can also gain all your friends to your network, and they can trade and you can gain them points, guys. Okay, another great news, guys, is the fact that Floki is now the biggest play to earn cryptocurrency in the world. And as you can see, they have a screenshot of this. That's absolutely crazy. The market cap is nuts. So they have surpassed all the established players, as you can see, as AXS, Sand, Mana, and Gala as well. I love to see that. I love to see Floki being successful, especially because you guys love this project, which have been constantly shown under my last videos, because man, like, come on, what you are doing under these videos is crazy. Okay, it constantly gets a lot of views, the feedback. I see that you like Floki, okay? I have another news. This one is about Valhalla, guys. So Valhalla actually partners up with India's tour of Sri Lanka to reach 220 million viewers. So that's another major partnership, okay? 220 million viewers, potential players and investors. Crazy stuff, okay, guys? Tokenfi. We have a bit of everything today. Tokenfi, guys, is now officially a member of the ERC 3643 Association, nice. So yeah, I really like to see that one as well. Wanted to point that out. So yeah, as I'm saying, we have a little bit of everything, guys, okay? There is a nice little list of Tokenfi accomplishment and milestones, what they have done, as you can see, what they have launched, and well, they have secured a lot of cool partnerships. They have developed a lot of tools and utilities. When it comes to exchange listings, they are also listed on major exchanges, and they just keep on growing and growing. There is also their progress line, as you can see, and future outlook. So there is a blog link here, and if you go to this blog, you can see what exactly they are planning on doing, guys. As you can see, what they did, what they are planning, and all of that, it is all written down and explained in this particular blog page. So if you want, you can navigate to this tweet and also check this one out, guys. Another thing is that Kraken has just listed token perpetual futures, which is great for the traders. If you are trading futures, then you can definitely head out and look out for this. And then, guys, also if you want if you want to be up to date with Tokenfi in itself, because Tokenfi is pretty exciting and they are also doing a lot of great stuff, you can join their Medium blog and you can see all of these informations and what they are planning on doing, all of that right here. Obviously, guys, I will be covering more news regarding Tokenfi as well. I'm trying to drop these videos regularly because, well, you like them. Maybe let's hit a little goal for likes under this video. Let's say if you bring me 4,000 likes under this video. I know it can be a little bit challenging, but I also know that you guys can do it. We will do another video with another ecosystem update. So last but not least, we have another information, guys, that Floki perpetual futures trading is also now live, this time on Coinbase. So again, if you like to trade futures, you can now trade Floki perpetual futures on Coinbase, guys. So this is it when it comes to this video, guys. Floki, the next meme coin of this bull run. I mean, they already shown this, and you can go back to my old videos. You can see the progress yourself with your own eyes, and you can see that I was telling you that Floki will be the major thing of this market and of this year. Seems like I was right. Okay, so let's see whether Simon's Cat can replicate their success, and I honestly think that they can. And if it goes all well, then I will probably be dropping some updates on Simon's Cat as well. So that will be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you guys in the next videos coming out soon.